Good morning, Brian. My name is Latrina, and a few days ago, you responded to an email where I was offering this free video to share things you might be able to do to improve your online presence, hopefully grab some more leads, customers, and sales. And this is the video that I have for you at M&M Cleaning. As I mentioned in the email, there's no selling in the videos. We strongly believe that givers gain. So every week we make a few of these videos for other business owners, hopefully to bring value and service to them and their community. So your feedback is greatly important to us because we need it to know whether or not our videos are actually helpful or not. So if it's not too much to ask, please let us know at the end you watched it and what your impressions were. And if you have questions, we'll be happy to answer those as well. So let me get going. So what I'm going to cover is content, backlinks, and citations and why these are important website elements for you to have. We'll take a look at your company's online presence and make recommendations for improvement if I see any that could boost your business. Content is anything on your website. It's the words, the images, and the videos. You want to have enough content because this will allow Google to crawl your website, become familiar with your site and your services so that they can include you in the search results when people are typing in essential keywords. You want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage and at least 500 on your back pages to rank well. Okay, this just allows you to have enough room, enough opportunity to sprinkle all those keywords throughout your website. Citations are important as well. You want to get these listings as much as you can out there. These are directory listings. It's your business name, address, and phone number appearing in places like Google, Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. You want to get as many as you can, as I've said, and more than your competition. This just shows Google that you are a legitimate company. If they can't search and find information about you on the internet, then they don't think you are legitimate, and as a result, you will not rank well. And finally, backlinks. Backlinks are the placement of your website onto other websites. So if you think about like Yelp, LinkedIn, Facebook, if your website is listed on those pages, those are considered backlinks because they are redirecting traffic to your website. The more backlinks you have, the more popular your website actually becomes. In fact, to Google, backlinks are so critical because they are used to help Google assess your trustworthiness. If you don't have a lot of backlinks, then Google considers that you are not very trustworthy, right? Because backlinks are essentially other sites giving you permission to link your website to their page. They wouldn't do that if they didn't trust that you were a good, legitimate company. So that's why it's a measure of trustworthiness. The thing to remember, though, is you need to make sure that your backlinks are relevant to what it is you do. So just make sure that they are in your service area and not on random sites like Pizza Hut or like auto body detailing, for example. So if we jump into Google for a brief moment, I did a search cleaning service for Bristow, and this is what we come up with. We are presented with ads at the beginning of the page, sometimes at the bottom as well. But some people won't see these ads whatsoever because a lot of people these days have ad blockers installed on their computers, which is why I encourage businesses to do organic, natural things to boost their business and optimize their website. What I'm showing you right now is called the Map Pack. And this is the prime real estate area on Google pages, okay? And you can see M&M Cleaning Service is listed here. These are who Google has perceived to be the top 3 companies for the key terms that were searched in Google, okay? Google then continues to rank businesses on the subsequent pages. You want to be somewhere on the first, second, or third pages with your business. As you move further away from that, you lose visibility. So I would just check to make sure that in addition to being in the map pack, you are on the first 3 pages of Google, okay? It's just going to increase your visibility. So first off, I love your website. It's very pleasing to the eyes, fits your business niche very well. What I'm seeing, however, is that you don't really have content on your homepage. And remember, I did mention 1,500 words at least. And I say at least because it depends on how many services and keywords that you're trying to rank for. But if you want an edge over your competition, you want to make sure you always have enough keywords and content. And mainly the reason that you need a lot is because the Google bots, when they're crawling your website, if they don't see a lot of content, they don't spend time on your website. They come on, they jump right back off. And you don't want that. You want Google spending a lot of time on your website so that they can become familiar with you, they can start ranking you more, and they can perceive you as the expert in your field, okay? So definitely spend some more time getting content on those web pages. Let's look at your data. So right now, on a scale of 1 to 100, you're, as far as backlink profile popularity, you are 7. That's because you don't have a whole lot of backlinks. You have 13 right now. You had 231 at one time. But over time, these numbers drop, okay? So you always need to be adding backlinks. And remember, backlinks measure popularity and trustworthiness. Same thing for referring domains. You barely have any. Definitely start getting some more of those. As far as your keywords, you're not really ranking for many keywords. Let's see what you're ranking for and how you're ranking. Apologize, it's taking a while for this page to load. But just to give you a sense of what we're going to be looking at, keywords are what people type in here organically, right? It's usually the service or product and the location. So right now, all of the keywords are related to your business name. Those are not buyer intent keywords. Those are people who already know your business and are typing in to get to your website. You want keywords where people are going to be searching for your new people, okay? So let me give you some examples of keywords that will bring you more business. Cleaning, like what I did, cleaning service, Bristow. Commercial cleaning services, Bristow. House cleaning services, Bristow. Residential cleaning services, Bristow. Maid services, Bristow. Those are things that are janitorial services, Bristow, okay? Those are the kind of keywords that people will be typing in here. Right now, you're not really matching up with any of those, okay? So that's why you're only getting 2 people as far as your organic traffic. So with that, I'm going to end this here. Please let me know you watched the video. Give me some feedback so that I can improve my videos. And if you have questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to ask. I'll be happy to clarify in any way that I can. In the meantime, I wish you a lovely day and much continued success for M&M Cleaning Services. Take care.